Morning, folks. I just found this here Danby Diplomat window shaker. It's a small one. It's just a baby. It's 5,050 BTUs, so it's about the smallest size you can get. This one is R22 charged, which is a plus. I like R22. It's got a Samsung rotary compressor. I don't really like Samsung, but I guess their compressors are all right. Not a fan of how close that discharge line is. It's actually completely touching the side and probably vibrating up against it. I'm gonna have to address that when I clean it later. So this was sitting outside, the sign on it, free air conditioner, it works fine. Condenser coils are in amazing shape, no dents or anything. Not like my sunroom window aircon there. That's got some dents in it. It still works though. 6,500 BTU Fetters unit. It does have some rust. Also, I gotta say, this is a really light air conditioner. Okay, it's not that light, but yeah, the bottom has seen better days. Inside is all dirty. Fan motor is quiet, compressor is quiet. It's got an air filter, comes out like that. That's not too bad. Evaporator coils are, they could use some cleaning. Thermostat bulb. All right, let's power it up. So I'm gonna start it in fan only mode. Fan works, no obvious bearing noises. That's high speed. That's low speed. High speed again. Fan works good. See if the compressor kicks on. Yep, very quiet compressor. Can hear it from here, but not at all from here. Oh, that's already cold. Wow. Nice. Let's see what the power ratings are. 520 watts, 4.7 amps. Yeah, it's just a baby. That's what you expect. I don't know how old this is. I gotta look at the serial number. I'll put it in the description if I find it. It's really dirty. It's had like, that looks like spray foam on it. That feels like silicone or caulking or something. Backside is clean. It looks like the inside of the house. The inside half suffered more than the outer half. Oh, leaf or something getting caught in the fan. Good heat rejection. Running well. I'm not sure if this has a condensate drain. It probably doesn't, which explains this. But I'll have that cleaned right up. I think I'm going to let a friend borrow this because their central unit is broken. Central units have been breaking left and right around here these days. Even mine broke. Mine's only 11 months old, so when those things break, humble hero waiting in the garage. The humble window air conditioner. Might not like them, might not like the way they look, but this is peak performance. Actually, no, these are really inefficient. But those Midea U-shaped ones are great. Window air conditioner technology is improving. I'm glad it didn't halt completely when mini splits came out. Mini splits are cool and all, but I kind of don't like that, they kind of become a fucking lemon without the remote. And also there's more points of leakage. You have your king valves and things like that could leak. Here it's like only really, really bad corrosion can kill these on the coils, on the copper. Very good. I'll put that on low speed. That's really good. This one starts cooling faster than that one. That one has a full charge, but it takes a bit to start cooling. This one started cooling immediately. Not bad at all. This will clean up just nicely. This will make someone very happy in this hot summer. I think it's like 29 degrees today, which, yeah, I know, gets way hotter in Texas and places like that, but hey man, it's hot for us Canadians. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I don't know, search it up if you really care. Anyways, I think that's about all there is to say about this. So remember, have some fun under the frozen sun.